Viewers, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. Today video is about a PC error that is shown up on the startup of the screen and the PC doesn't reboot. You can see that here is a alert system battery voltage is low. The system management hardware requires a reset. So watch my video till end to see that how I fix this error. This error usually happen when battery installed on the motherboard of the PC on the PC is weak, so we have to replace that battery. Now I will show you how to replace this battery. Viewers, whenever you open a PC or a desktop PC, you will find a battery like this. It has a number of CR2032 and it is of 3 volt. So I will replace the weak one with this new one battery. So follow my video. Viewers, there are locks on every desktop or tower PC. For my PC it is here. I will push it and you can see that the tray is out. Again you will pull it and you will find the main board of the PC. First of all, unplug the mains. Here is the battery installed. Viewers, here are tiny locks. You have to press them outside and take the cell out. Now I will install the new battery. This is inner side. You press that. This was old battery, viewers. I have removed. Now I have installed the new one. Now I will close the cover. Viewers, I have installed the new battery and also installed the cover. Now I will plug the AC card and see that our error goes or not. Again, I have installed the AC power. Now watch for the error, if it displays on the screens or not. You will see that we have no battery error. So like that you can easily fix the error. You have to just replace the onboard battery with the new one. Goodbye friends.